Imagine accessing limitless entertainment on your Firestick effortlessly. Sounds incredible, right? Let's make it a reality today. Begin by ensuring your Firestick is powered on and connected to a stable internet network for seamless performance. Navigate to the Firestick home screen, focusing on the search icon located on the top navigation bar. Type in Downloader using the on-screen keyboard, select it, and proceed to install this essential application. Once the Downloader app is installed, open it to access a web browsing tool on your Firestick device. In the Downloader's URL field, input the link for the IPTV service, ensuring to enter every character correctly. Allow the app to download and install the necessary files, patiently waiting as it processes your request. With the files installed, allow the necessary permissions for the application by following the on-screen instructions. With setup completed, navigate to find the IPTV service under your applications category on your Firestick. Open the IPTV app, where you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials from your provider. Launch into a world of streaming by logging in, revealing a massive collection of movies and channels. As simple as that, you now have a powerful entertainment portal right at your fingertips on Firestick. For consistent streaming quality, always ensure your internet connection remains strong and reliable. Consider using a premium IPTV provider like 2TV.store for an enhanced, uninterrupted streaming experience. With supportive customer service and comprehensive content access, 2TV.store simplifies your IPTV journey. Embrace this guide. Empowered by knowledge, embark on endless entertainment adventures from home.